Jim and Sue's common love of sailing brought them together more than 20 years ago. After their two children came along, sailing turned into family cruises and dinghy regattas with their kids. Jim and Sue were thrilled when their son made the varsity sailing team at a U.S. Ivy League university. Like many Canadians, they're at a point in their lives when protecting their money is as important as making more of it, and that's why they were driven to learn more about deposit insurance. Whether planning for retirement, scheduling a winter down south, or sending college-age kids to universities overseas, many Canadians over 50 know about the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, but many do not know how it works. Jim and Sue know that only Canadian deposits held in Canada are covered by CDIC. Talk to your financial advisor. They can help you make informed decisions and to help protect your savings. For more information, contact CDIC or visit cdic.ca.